All right, today we're gonna bring in some smart recessed slim lights. All right, these are 6-inch, they're 13 watts, so we're gonna set them up and see how they look at night. And we're also gonna control them with our Google Assist, and you could do Lexus. So today we're gonna do a Google Assist and see how they turn on. All right, so here we have one right now, but you get a set of 4. Right, so a pack of 4, but they have different sizes. You can have 2, set of 2, or both. Today we're gonna do the 4. And if you guys can see, they get the neutral and the hot, and then of course the ground in here too. They give you a junction box, of course, and then they give you the actual tie downs, and then this is the light itself. Look how slim it is. It's really slim. I'm not gonna require anything, just as long as you have the hole in there. You could actually clip this onto your drywall or wood, wherever you're gonna set this up. Instructions are simple. Follow them. When you want to set up your Alexa or your Google, that's a little complicated. We're gonna go over little details how to set that up too. But first of all, let's go ahead and place them up in the ceiling and see how they look. We set it up, and we're gonna push a little bit more to the right. If you guys can see, it's a little bit crooked, but it's because I have something in there. I have to remove it, but I'm gonna flush it out in a bit. Right now we just got the light installed, and let's go ahead and flush it and then set it up and start setting up a Google Assist. All right, we're gonna set up the actual system right now, so we're gonna download the application and see how it works. So let's go ahead and download the application and set up the light for the Wi-Fi first. So let's go ahead and do that. All right, so I was able to download this application called Smart Life. Of course, they have in 2 versions. They have in Google, where you could get the Google Play Store. It's a Droid application, or iOS, where you could get it at the Apple Store. Now, when I was installing the application, it automatically picked up. I was able to sync it up through my actual application. You are going to register it, and you are going to need a 2.4 hertz, not a 5 hertz, or it's not going to be able to work. So here we have it connected successfully. So let's go ahead and test it out. All right, so we got all the colors set up. If you guys can see that, we could change it. Now they have different tones in here, different templates that you can mess with it. This is a different template, a gorgeous template, and it's gonna rotate throughout the system. If you change a certain, like Dazzle changes after a couple minutes, and it just continues on changing. If you guys can see that, we're gonna go to the actual music, and we're gonna go game, for example, and whatever we're talking about. If you guys can see 1 2 3 1 2 3, it's gonna get the rhythm. Now we can go back and schedule stuff. We could do not disturb, default light, and we could grant gradient. We can do all sorts of things in it. So right now we're gonna go back to the tone. We go to white, and that's pretty much controlling the whole system itself. And of course we do have 100%. We could go 100% to all the way to, let me see if I can change it here, to 30%. Very simple, easy to use. All right, so here we have our system already set up, and we have our lights in here. We're gonna turn them off right now. So we're gonna go, okay, Google, garage off.
All right, turning off.
So it turned off the garage completely off, and it's running pretty good. Like, if you guys can see it. Okay, Google, garage on. There it goes. So we got the light working with our Google system, but it is working very well. The ceiling light was easy to set up. I didn't have no issues. Turning it off and on was easy. Programming was even the easiest part, because they give you great instructions. They give you a template. They give you everything you need, all the tools, pretty much what you need to require. All you got to do is cut the hole. Make sure you have a 6-inch hole, and you got the spring set up. If you do need extra backing for anything, it's not that much required, because it's very light, easy to set up. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video.